Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program. ABC yesterday's realized weather dense to very dense fog conditions prevailed over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar also. And cold wave to severe cold wave conditions prevailed in some parts of Himachal Pradesh and cold wave conditions in some parts of Punjab. And ground frost conditions reported in isolated pockets of Uttarakhand. And ABC the highlights. So under the influence of three western disturbances in quick succession, wet spell likely over western Himalaya region, especially Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand during the next 7 days with possibility of isolated heavy rainfall, snowfall over Kashmir Valley on 22nd and 23rd and over Himachal Pradesh on 23rd, and isolated to scattered rainfall likely over adjoining plains of northwest India, especially Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan during 22nd to 25th of January. Dense to very dense fog conditions very likely to continue over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar during next 2-3 days, and northeast monsoon rains have ceased over southeast peninsular India from today, that is the 19th of January 2026. If we just see the synoptics, so accordingly northeast monsoon cessation, first point. Second, WD roughly over Punjab and adjoining region. It's induced cyclone circulation over northeast Rajasthan. Another western disturbance roughly over Afghanistan and adjoining Pakistan region, and another intense western disturbance likely to affect from night of 21st of January onwards. And if we see the weather warning for today, that is valid till 8:30 hours IST of tomorrow. So dense fog conditions likely to prevail over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar with cold wave conditions over Himachal Pradesh. Otherwise, no significant weather warning issued for any parts of the country. And if we see the weather warning for 20th of January, so dense fog conditions over Punjab, Haryana and cold wave over Himachal Pradesh. Dense fog also likely over Bihar region. And on 21st, dense fog conditions Punjab and Haryana. Main weather will start from 21st night. So accordingly, heavy rainfall likely over Jammu Kashmir subdivision, especially Kashmir Valley on 22nd, and light to moderate rainfall at many places over Himachal Pradesh with thunderstorm activity. Adjoining plains, especially Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and western parts of Rajasthan likely to experience light to moderate rainfall at some places with thunderstorm and lightning and gusty wind activity. And on 23rd, the activity will reach on its peak. Accordingly, heavy rainfall, snowfall likely over Kashmir Valley and also over Himachal Pradesh, and thunderstorm activity over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, adjoining plains, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan with light to moderate rainfall at some places. On 24th, the activity will a little reduce. However, thunderstorm warning issued for Punjab, Haryana and Uttarakhand on 24th. On 25th, thunderstorm warning for Uttarakhand. Otherwise, light to moderate rainfall likely at 1 or 2 stations over plains of India also on 25th as well. If we see the minimum temperature forecast, so no significant change in minimum temperature likely over northwest India during the next 3 days. Gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during subsequent 2 days and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during subsequent 2 days. Gradual rise in minimum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over Maharashtra during the next 3 days and no significant change during subsequent 4 days. And if we see the impact, so main impact is for dense to very dense fog over northwest India, especially Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar region during next 2-3 days. You are advising that be careful while driving or outing through any transport, including aviation, railway and road. And in power sector, to keep ready maintenance team during fog conditions and human health to avoid outing unless until emergency to cover the face. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.